Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can delete your Just Eat order history. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your settings option. So once you open your settings option, you will end up in this page where you need to scroll down and tap open your apps. So after you open apps, you need to tap on the app management option, and from there you need to scroll down and find your Just Eat app. So simply tap on Just Eat, and once you're in this kind of page, all you need to do is simply press on the storage uses option. So after you press on it, you need to press on the clear data option and you need to simply tap on the OK bar. Once you do this, your order history on Just Eat app along with other data will get deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.